How to use Perplexity AI for coding help. Need help with coding tasks or debugging issues? Here's how to get real coding help from Perplexity AI. First, type your coding question directly in the search bar. Something like how to sort a list in Python or fix null pointer error in Java. Perplexity will generate a clear answer, often with code snippets, explanation, and references to trusted sources. You can copy the code by clicking the snippet or ask follow-ups like can you explain this part to go deeper. What's the last coding problem you needed help with? Drop it in the comments below. Mention the language you are using to get the most accurate answer, like in C++ or using React. And that's how you can use Perplexity AI for coding help. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.